Hey there, fabulous folks of West Palm Beach, Florida. It's me, Yolanda King, the real estate guru from Canvas Real Estate, and I got some exciting news for you. So grab your coffee, tea, or even a pineapple smoothie if you're feeling tropical. Because on August 5th, 2023, from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Saturday, we're hosting the Home Buyer Event of the Year. All right, let's break it down. You might be wondering, Yolanda, what is a buyer event? Well, my dear friends, it's like the real estate version of a treasure hunt. Now, what you expect from this amazing event, we'll be diving headfirst into the step-by-step process of buying a home. I'll be your guide, your real estate GPS, help you navigate the ins and the outs of finding that dream home and make it your own. Together, we'll uncover these hidden gems of knowledge and make you a savvy home buyer in no time. Oh, and did I mention this event is absolutely free? Yes, you heard that. Free, free, free. No sneaky hidden charges. This is my gift to you because I believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to learn about the home buying process without breaking the bank. So what are you waiting for? One of the crucial things we'll be talking about is credit. Your real estate partner in crime will demystify his credit scores so you won't need a detective to figure out where you stand. By the end of the event, you'll know how to boost that credit like a pro. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the loans. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. It's a home buying magic. We'll cover all the different types of loans so you can pick the one that fits your budget like a glove. No more feeling like you're wearing shoes that are too small or too tight. Time for some house hunting? Well, we'll explore the different types of homes out there, from cozy cottages to fancy condos and everything in between. Think about it. It's like creating your own real estate vision board. And trust me, dreams really do come true in the world of home buying. Last but not least, the ultimate star of the event, the step-by-step purchasing your dream home. We'll unlock the secrets to the smooth home buying process, handing you the golden key to your future kingdom. So mark your calendars, set a reminder, August 5th, 2023, from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Trust me, you don't want to miss this free online home buyer event. It's going to be a roller coaster ride of knowledge and, of course, a sprinkle of me, Yolanda King. So please click on the link below to register. Tell everyone, tell your friends. Take care and see you soon, everybody. Bye.